When most people hear the phrase mind control, they picture scenes straight out of science fiction: hypnotic rays, shadowy agents, and puppet-like obedience. The reality, however, is both more grounded and more complex, rooted in the intricate science of the human brain and the long history of efforts to understand and sometimes influence human behavior. To truly grasp what mind control means from a scientific perspective, we must first step back and examine the foundations of the mind itself and how scientists have sought to unravel its mysteries. At the center of this exploration is the human brain, a marvel of biological engineering that has fascinated researchers for decades. The brain is made up of several major regions, each with specialized roles. The forebrain is responsible for higher-level thinking and complex behaviors, while the midbrain and hindbrain manage more basic, automatic functions. Within the cerebrum lies the cerebral cortex, the outermost layer which plays a key role in memory, language, consciousness, and voluntary movement. The two hemispheres of the brain are also specialized. One side often excels at tasks like language, while the other is stronger in spatial reasoning. All of this intricate machinery is connected by a vast network of neurons, the tiny cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals, allowing the brain to coordinate everything from movement to emotions and thoughts. Neuroscience, the multidisciplinary field dedicated to understanding the nervous system, brings together biology, psychology, and medicine in its quest to decode the secrets of the brain. Neuroscientists investigate how this 3-pound organ shapes our behavior, feelings, and even the decisions we make. Different branches of neuroscience, such as cognitive, behavioral, and clinical neuroscience, approach the mind from distinct angles, whether studying the neural basis of perception, the biological roots of behavior, or the mechanisms of mental disorders. By examining how neurons communicate through the release and uptake of chemicals called neurotransmitters, researchers begin to map the pathways that underlie everything from the simplest reflex to the most abstract thought.